Sam David from Creative Innovation Center, CIC, a senior for Oliver. Since I completed O-level, I had nothing to do. But when I joined CIC, I found that my life has changed. I can now repair electronic gadgets, as well as also I can install a domestic power at home. So now that I've reached a level where I can develop a project like this. This is my project in front of me. This is a security alarm system that helps us to protect our houses. So I'm going to take you brief on how this security alarm system works. First of all, I have my siren on top of the house. Secondly, I have my bulb in front of the house. I also have my phone here that when someone opens the door, I will receive a call. So as I said, this project of mine helps in security, of which we can prevent people from breaking into our houses. So I'm going to test on how this project works. The siren is on, the light is on, it's also calling me. It's giving me a call. This is how my project works. My dear ladies and gentlemen, for those who are outside there, my message to the youth is that there's nothing that we cannot do. We shouldn't give up in life that we have nothing to do. We still have hope in life. So let's come together and join to come up with great innovations. And also this project, as you are seeing, it's just locally made from what we collected just in our environment. Since these projects are local, if you have any support for CIC, whether being material, financial or technical, it's warmly welcome. Thank you.